Yo, what's up everybody? So we're gonna go ahead and do a speed test. Go here and make sure all these are off Wi-Fi. Okay, so they're all off Wi-Fi. We have Google Fi, Mint Mobile, Visible, and AT&T. So we're gonna go ahead and test them out. And I do understand that some of these devices do not support certain LTE bands that the other ones do. That's not the point of this. I'm just giving you guys a real-time what to expect type of speeds, especially inside my home. And this is what I'm able to pull down. So here we go. Let's see. AT&T clocking at 14.8. We got Visible clocking at 24.3. Mint clocking at 5.34. And Google Fi clocking at 15.6, running off T-Mobile's network. So that's the downloads. Uploads, Google Fi 7.4. Mint Mobile 6.54. Visible 0.74. That's bad. And we got AT&T at 2.35. They're all connected to the same server. They're all connected to SpeedTest.net. So we're gonna try this again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And off to the races again. Looks like Visible Mobile is slow at the start. We got Google Fi currently around 12-ish, 14-ish. We got Mint Mobile at 5, AT&T at 11. Now Visible's catching up with 17, 19. It's gonna hit 20, 20. It hit 20. Here we go, it's still going, still chugging along. We got 2 with AT&T on the upload. We got not even a meg on Visible. We got Google Fi done. Google Fi clocks in at 16.4 down. Upload is 8.8. Let me unlock. And Visible at 21.6 and 0.93. We got AT&T at 11.3 down and 2.38 up. And we got Mint Mobile at 9.03 down and 7.71 up. So those are some of the speed tests. We'll just run one more just for good measure and just have a little bit of fun with these. Just kind of give you guys real world. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom! There it goes. We're off to the races again. Visible has really bad ping. We got 13 currently right now on the down with Google Fi. We got 27 on the down with Visible, 12 on the down with AT&T, and we got Mint at 7. So here we go. Upload on Google Fi is currently around 8, 2.5-ish on AT&T, and not even 1 meg on Visible, and 5 on Mint Mobile. It's still going. Well, 7 now, 8 now on Mint Mobile. So that's pretty interesting. So here is what we have right now. The last speed test, we got 13.2 on the down, 7.8 on the up with Google Fi connected to T-Mobile. Ping is 35, jitter is 8. So that's what we have there. With Mint Mobile, we have 7.7 on the down, 8.5 on the up, 37 milliseconds on the ping, and the jitter is 6.4. With Visible, we have 26.2 on the down. We have 0.8 on the up. Ping is at 90 milliseconds and jitter is at 13 milliseconds. So, and on the AT&T side, we have 12 down, 2.5 up, ping 46 milliseconds, jitter at 11 milliseconds. So, between AT&T, Visible, Mint, Google Fi, these two running on T-Mobile basically, this running on the Verizon network, and obviously AT&T, those are the speeds that I'm getting in my home, inside my room, with one window to the left of me. That's what I'm getting. So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to do this just to kind of, show you guys what I'm working with here. And yeah, let me know what you guys are getting inside your bedroom would be preferable. And then that way we can compare speed tests. We can see on the average. Now, again, I wouldn't consider this totally fair only because the Pixel 3 is going to have more support for various LTE bands that the Nexus 5X, the iPhone 7, or the iPhone 6s do not have. So we have to take that into consideration. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know by smashing that like button. It tells me if you guys enjoyed the content. If you just subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for doing so. Really appreciate it. Bell icon, click it, and then that way you won't miss another upload or a live stream that I do. Again, I appreciate everyone's kind words on last night's vlog video. Really appreciate you guys for all the, the support. I love you guys very much for that. And that is it for right now. Day 12. self-quarantine. We're playing with SpeedTest, and as always, aloha.
Let me out! I'm stuck in your pocket.